If every living thing is made up of cells, where do cells come from? And how are they replicated? The answer is simple. All cells come from other cells. New cells are produced when a cell divides. The cell doesn't simply split in two, but goes through a set of very specific stages. In most cells, this is by a process called mitosis. Mitosis produces two genetically identical cells. It takes place in your body thousands of times every second, replacing skin cells, growing your bones, and repairing your muscles. The genetic material in the nucleus of the cell is organized into tightly coiled structures called chromosomes. Under the microscope, these appear as little X-shaped rods inside the nucleus. Before the cell divides, the chromosomes make identical copies of themselves. The membrane around the nucleus breaks down, and the chromosomes line up in the center of the cell. The matching copies are then pulled apart to opposite poles of the cell. New nuclear membranes form around the chromosomes, followed by new cell membranes, creating two new identical cells. The process repeats itself constantly to provide more and more cells for growth or repair. This same fundamental process occurs in all animals and plants. There's only one type of cell that is produced by a different process, the sex cells.